Good morning, student. Let's start today's lecture. Algebraic expression, addition of an algebraic expression. We have discussed like terms. Okay. So like terms, basically, what are the like terms? Like terms are the terms in which variables are same and all the variables having same path. So in the basis of like terms, we are going to add the values in algebraic expression. Okay. Suppose we have given 7x, 15x and 12x. Okay, we need to add these values. There is two type of methods for adding the values. First one is horizontal method and second one is column method. First one is horizontal method. So in this method we are doing simply like we need to write 7x plus 15x plus 12x. Okay, and we need to put the x common here and the coefficient terms, the remaining coefficients are in bracket, and then we need to add 7, 15, 22, 22 and 12, that is 34x. Or you can add directly 7 plus 15, 22 and 12, 34. You can add directly, but what my suggestion is this: for starting question means 2 or 3 questions you will do like that, after that you will do directly. Okay, next is column method. Now in this method we are going to represent the value in column. 7x, 12x, 15x, then 12x. Now x as it is, and here addition sign because we need to add, and now we will add the constant or numerical coefficients. 7 plus 15, 22 and 12, that is 34. In this manner we are going to do the addition here. These are the monomial terms, so we have done easily. Now I am taking the binomial terms, so that will be easy, that will clear your concept easily. Okay, so I am taking the example of the book, like we need to add the values. So suppose we have given addition of 3a minus 2b plus 5b, 5c. 5c is there. Then next term we have given 2a plus 5b, 2a plus 5b minus 7c. Then next term we have given minus a minus b and plus c. So we can apply both the method, either horizontal or column. So column is easy, so we will apply the column method. So now for solution, now we will write the values 2a, 3a, 2b plus 5c. Now 2a plus 5b minus 7c. Then minus a minus b plus c. Then after we need to add the values. So we will start either from right or left, that doesn't matter because all the terms are separate. But in genuine concept or in general phenomena, we are starting from right. So see as it is. So 5 and 7, minus 7 and 5, that is minus 2. Minus 2 and 1. If nothing is given, if nothing is there before any variable, we will consider as 1, because if you multiply 1 into 5, that is 5. So if you write this or this, that doesn't matter. So either we write 1 into x or x, both are the same. So x is considered as 1x, x is considered as 1x, or any variable if singleton is given, then it is considered as 1. So positive negative means 7 minus 5, that is minus 2, and plus 1, that is minus c. Then minus 2 and 5, that is plus 3. Plus 3 minus 1, that is plus 2b. After that 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, that is 4a. In this manner we are going to solve the algebraic expression. of addition of an algebraic expression. So let me take one more example so it will clear to you how we will rearrange the things. Suppose one more question is given. Suppose one more question is given, like okay. Now next question, I have taken question number 6. There is given 2 plus x, sorry, minus x square plus 6x cube. Now next, minus 6 minus 2x plus 4x square minus 3x cube. Okay. Now next is 2 plus x square. Now next is minus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. So these terms are given. This term having this term type of quadrinomial, this is also quadrinomial, this is binomial, and this is also quadrinomial. So what we have to do, we need to arrange them first, like 2 plus x minus x square plus 6x cube. Now for second term, we need to very careful, means constant term below the constant term, means like we are arranging in like terms, so we are doing here also. Minus 2x plus 4x square is there, so we need to write it below the 4x square, then minus 3x cube. Now next is only two terms are there, only two terms are there, that is constant term and x square term. So we need to write the x square term below the x square term. Okay. Now next is 3 minus x cube. So minus x cube will be here with the sign. Always pick the values with their sign. Okay. Now next is 4x. So 4x will be here. Now minus 2x square. So this we have written. Now we need to add the things. So 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 7 minus 6, that is 1 positive. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 2, that is plus 3x. Now 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 2, that is 3, and 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2x square positive. Now 3 minus 3 and minus x, that become minus 4. 6 minus 4, that is 2, so plus 2x cube. In this manner we are going to do the questions properly. Okay, for algebraic expression and addition of algebraic expression. If you want to solve this question by the horizontal method, then we will also do with the horizontal method. Okay, now for horizontal method, this is clear. Okay, now for a horizontal method, if you want to solve this by horizontal method, so how you will write? You will write like that: 2 plus x minus x square plus 6x cube. Then positive sign. After that minus 6 minus 2x plus 4x square minus 3x cube in brackets. Then plus 2 plus x square. Then plus 3 minus x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. So what we need to do, we need to collect the like terms. First we need to remove this bracket also. 2 plus x minus x square plus 6x cube minus 6 minus 2x. Because of positive sign, no need to change the sign of bracket in between the bracket. So they are as it is. If negative sign is there, then sign will be changed. Plus 2 plus x square plus 3 minus x cube plus 4x minus 2x square is there. Now we need to collect the like terms. First we need to collect the constant term, because we have first constant term. So this is one constant term, this is another, and this is another, and this is another. So 2 minus, always collect the term with their sign. Minus 6 plus 2 and plus 3. Okay. Now next we have the x terms. Means terms having x as a variable. So this one is there, then minus 2x. After that this term don't have, then plus 4x. Okay. Now we have the x square term, minus x square plus 4x square plus x square minus 2x square. Now next we have the x cube term, plus 6x cube minus 3x cube, then minus x cube. So we have collected all the terms. Now we are going to do the addition or subtraction. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 6, that is 1. Now 4 plus 1 5x, 5x minus 2, that is plus 3x. Okay, now 4x square plus x square, that is 5x square, 5x minus 2, that is 3x square, 3x minus 1, that is plus 2x square here. So now 6x cube minus 3x, 6 minus 3, 3x cube, 3x cube minus x cube, that is 2x cube, 2x cube. So that is your answer. This is your answer, so that is correct. But we can arrange it. We can arrange it in the order like we have always. We need to do the question, or we need to arrange the terms like higher value to lower value, higher power to lower power. So 2x cube will be there, then 2x square is there, okay, then 3x plus 1. Okay, arranging the value, we are rearranging the value, and that is also correct. Okay, if you write this, then your answer will also correct. If you write this, then your answer will also correct. Okay, this method is very much lengthy, so we will apply for long question or such terms like we have polynomials in addition or subtraction. So we are applying column method, that is very much easy and very much clear. So that we will apply the column method always. This is method I am showing you because if you need this or you will understand clearly, then you will also apply this method. So that's it for this particular class. We will continue with subtraction in next class. Thank you.